Welcome to this simple and concise tutorial on using block patterns on WordPress.com. In this guide you will learn exactly how to navigate the WordPress website, sign in using your Google account, and add a block pattern to your site using the site editor interface. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to WordPress. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login link. Clicking this login option will take you to the sign in page, where you are provided with different methods to access your account. After selecting the login section, you will see the option labeled Continue with Google. This method leverages your Google account for a quick and secure sign-in process. Choose your desired Google account, and in just a few moments you will be logged into your WordPress.com account, ready to begin customizing your site. Upon successful login, you will be presented with a dashboard that contains a section known as Quick Links. Within this section, look for the option to Edit Site. Clicking Edit Site takes you directly into the site editor, a powerful tool designed for making live changes to your website's appearance and structure. As you familiarize yourself with the editor, shift your focus to the upper right corner of your screen. There you will notice a plus icon. This icon serves as your gateway to adding new elements to your website. By clicking the plus icon, you open a menu of options that allow you to incorporate various content blocks into your site. Within this expanded menu, you will find a dedicated tab for patterns. The Patterns tab is a curated collection of ready-made block patterns that have been designed to help you quickly build engaging pages and posts. The option is thoughtfully organized so that you can easily navigate through the available choices. Now that you are on the Patterns tab, take a moment to browse through the collection presented. The interface displays a variety of block patterns, each foreseeing a unique layout or design that can be tailored to suit your content needs. Once you identify the block pattern that best fits your vision, simply click on it. This action immediately adds the selected block pattern to your site, integrating a pre-designed structure that you can further modify or leave as is. Throughout this entire process, each step is streamlined to ensure that editing your site is both efficient and highly effective. From navigating the WordPress homepage to adding a chosen block pattern via the site editor, every instruction is designed to enhance your website building experience. Enjoy the ease and creative potential offered by block patterns on WordPress.com and take full advantage of the intuitive design and interactive elements provided in the WordPress interface. This concludes the instructional guide on using block patterns for your website. You have now learned how to seamlessly log in, access the site editor, and implement a block pattern to elevate your site's design and functionality. Enjoy creating a dynamic web presence with these simple yet powerful features on WordPress.